wants more me.
Dear Theo, your first ever vacation was a road trip to Montreal during the second year of the pandemic. You had just learned to walk, which opened up a whole new world of experiences. The visit to the botanical gardens was your favorite, where you hopped from one colorful flower to another. Your mommy and I used to do a road trip to Montreal every year, but this time was obviously different. Instead of a diligent schedule, we allowed your curiosity to dictate what we would see next. We were experiencing Montreal again, but through your lens this time, and it made us stop and appreciate things we would have taken for granted in the past. Because of this, we had to sacrifice our usual visit to Schwartz's Deli. Almost 3 years have passed since then, but it's never too late to make things right.
So I care.
It's only a first stop. We gonna do it again. Hey, you can pack your bags, 'cause we're headed on vacation. Throw them in the back to our destination. Don't forget your toothbrush, and you don't need no makeup unless you want it.
I need a cold shower.
Headed on a road trip. Let's go, let's go. Watching every time we dip on
Smoke the meat.
just skip the ones that make the time just fly by. I will love you longer than a lifetime, oh yes.
I'm gonna just steam back. I don't know what to say.
On the road that's ahead. I'll drive us safely to the end. I will love you longer than a lifetime, oh yes. And these memories last forever in my head. I know these moments
What should we eat for smoked meat?
Got a photo album open on the bed. I will love you longer than a lifetime, oh yes. And these memories last forever.
Banana.
Will make it hard to focus on the road that's ahead.
How's the meat, Zoe? Is it good? Is the Montreal smoked meat good? Yummy? Okay, this one's not too spicy. How's it? What are you eating?
I love milk.
Meat.
Uh-uh.